Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to export all pages on a PDF document in Affinity. So if you're in Affinity guys and you're having issues exporting PDF documents, but it only export just one page, then I'm going to show you. So have a look at this. So let's say you have a document with multiple pages. And if you're using this option by clicking export on the upper right, drop down, select PDF. Let me go ahead and find PDF and show you. And let's say you select PDF and you click export. Now what's happening is that once you click export and you click save, this is going to export just a single page. And I'm sure that this is the issue that you're currently having. As you can see, this is the document. Let me make it larger. This is just one page. But there's a way how to actually export your entire document, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. So all you have to do, guys, is once you're inside Affinity and you make changes to your document or whatever, just go ahead and click on File on the upper left hand side and click on Export, or hover over Export and click on Export. Now, on the left hand side there, you may not have PDF selected, so you want to scroll down in the list and find PDF prints or whichever PDF you want to use, right? So you select PDF, and on the right hand side, you will see the option. It might show current page. As you can see in the section called area, it might show current page. So you want to click the drop down and select all pages. You may see as well whole document as something like that as well. So if you're seeing whole document or all pages, you select that. This is going to ensure that it covers all the pages that you want to export in a document. So once you select all pages or whole document, select export and you name your file. I'm going to just name this whatever and click on save. And once you do that, let me go to my downloads folder again. Here's a document. You can see I'm going to open it. Let me drag it over. And as you can see right here, guys, let me go ahead and maximize it. You can see that this is the entire document with all the pages, right? And that's it. That's how easy it is, guys, to export your entire document or all pages of your PDF document in Affinity. It's very easy and very simple.